If your cabinets need more than a coat of paint, replacing them is easy. Above-counter cabinets are fairly easy to remove. Remove everything from the inside of your cabinets. Make sure that there's nothing on top of them as well. Cabinets are attached in two places. They're attached to one another using screws on the inside of the cabinet. Cabinets are also screwed into the stud walls on the top and bottom of the cabinet. You may have under cabinet lighting. If so, this will need to be detached before proceeding with the cabinet removal. Turn off the power to your under cabinet lighting at the circuit breaker box. Once you are sure that there's no power running to your lighting, you're ready to proceed. Your under cabinet lighting is probably screwed into the bottom of the cabinet. You'll need to find these screws and remove them. Most of the time, these screws are found inside the light itself. Remove the light cover and locate the screws. Make sure there's no power running to your under cabinet lighting by using a current finder. If the detector lights up, the wire is still hot and you'll need to locate the correct circuit breaker. Using your electric driver, remove the screws. Now your lighting is detached from the cabinets. We want to remove one cabinet at a time, but this cabinet is actually attached to this cabinet with 3 screws. We want to locate those screws on the inside of this cabinet and take them out. Once you've made sure that your cabinets are detached from one another, then you need to locate the screws on the top of the cabinet. If your cabinets sit flush with the ceiling, those screws will be on the inside. Mine are on the very top. For this step, I have a friend holding the cabinet in place. That way, it doesn't come off of the wall. Your cabinets are now being held to the wall using only the bottom screws. Locate the bottom screws on your cabinet. These are probably located on the underside, though they may be on the inside. You want to make sure that your cabinet isn't going to fall and hurt you or damage something underneath it. Have a friend hold your cabinet in place while you remove the final screw from the bottom of the cabinet. Once the final screw is removed, your cabinet will come free. If you've removed all the side screws and top screws, it'll come off the wall easily. There you have it, cabinet removed, and your new cabinets are ready to be installed.